Follow the suggestion in this video to get the best out of my coffees.
Let us brew coffee from Ethiopia together. This is Shantewena from the SIDAMA region. The variety is heirlooms and the fermentation is a classic natural. For more details on this coffee, please visit our web shop. To get the beautiful flavors of Shantewena out of your brew, please follow this recipe. You need 400 grams of third wave water at 94 degrees Celsius in the kettle. Weigh 25 grams of coffee and grind on click 26 of your Comandante for a rich body. To avoid unwanted flavors, rinse the paper with hot brewing water. This also warms your equipment. Now add the ground coffee and shake the filter for an even extraction. Get ready for the 3 pours, producing a clear and balanced cup profile. First pour, 50 grams in 5 seconds. Blooming, releasing the trapped CO2 from the roast process. After 40 seconds, the second pour, 250 grams over 35 seconds in soft circular pouring with very little agitation, opening up all the flavors of this beautiful coffee. After 1 minute and 15 seconds, we lead directly into the third pour, 100 grams over 10 seconds as center pour. Swirl the brew at 1 minute and 40 seconds. The total brew time of Shantewena is 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Enjoy the flavors of orange, melon, peach and sweet lemon in your cup.